Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X6 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. Let's start with the quickest way to check the serial number via the secret code, and after that I'll show you another way which is a little bit longer but still useful. So let's open the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter this code, and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see at the very bottom of this list, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK. And then the other way, via the settings, as I said, it is a little bit longer, but it will be useful if, for example, you will forget about the secret code. So let's go to the settings and tap on About Phone, which is at the top of the list. Then we have to tap on Detailed Info and Specs and scroll down to find the status. Now let's scroll down again and tap on this model option, and as you can see, the serial number is right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.